What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day in Ireland and it's going to get even better because I'm currently on my way up to Watergrass Hill to the first piece of real drifting that we're going to see for 2020. There's a practice day on there at the moment, and Shane is currently up there. He's just about to start shaking down his S14. If you remember way back in the first episode of this vlog, before lockdown and everything, Shane was just after refitting his freshly rebuilt RB back into the S14. So this is really the first test for it. Hopefully everything goes to plan, and if everything does go to plan, then we'll start really dialing in the competition setup for the rest of the afternoon. Then fingers crossed it's a good day, and I will catch you guys up there. We have just arrived in Watergrass Hill. Shane is just queuing up for his first run out of the day. Let's see how he gets on. Not a bad first couple of laps. Car ran really well. No major issues for the first couple of runs. Shane, first impressions?
Quite happy, yeah.
Yeah? How's it going? What's the new power like?
Having an extra 100 horsepower certainly helps, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. More torque too?
Much more torque and a much more linear power curve, so I'm happy.
Happy days. So dropping the pressures down for the next runs because it's definitely a little bit patchy out there at the moment. But yeah, going well so far. Unfortunately, second runs didn't actually go to plan so much. Looks like Shane had a few fuel pump issues, but the boys are sorting it. Elbow deep inside in the fuel tank at the moment. Look, go on, lift him up. Extra leverage leave. So it looks like the sock filter on the end of the fuel pump might have been causing an issue. Just removed it because there's a secondary filter, but we'll see now in due time if that's after sorting it or not. looks like the issue has finally been sorted. Shane just had a couple of sweet runs there. Car is running really well, loads and loads of power. Just changed up the tyres. He's after putting on Genuines instead of the Westlakes that he was running all last year. So hopefully this will dial a little bit more grip in, build up his confidence and be ready for competition then in just a few weeks. But somebody grew a pair of balls for those last few runs. What did you think of those?
I like having big balls actually.
Felt a lot better that time, yeah? Yeah, car seems to be running sweet now. A little bit of blow-by out of oil, alright, but nothing too major. Fueling seems to be resolved, and yeah, it seems to have way more grip on those new Genuines. Serious tyre, to be fair. But fingers crossed that everything is resolved now, and that's what test days are for, to be fair. If you'd have gone up to round 1, you would have spent the whole day trying to troubleshoot this, but at least now you have the whole day that you can try to fault find and make sure that the car is at 100% for round 1. So looks to be solved now, and now all you have to do is just burn off the rest of your tyres for the rest of the day.
that I can do.
Pretty damn successful testing day. It wasn't without its issues, but that's exactly why you do a testing day. Ended up, as you saw, with an issue with the in-tank fuel pump. Not an easy thing to change now, especially on an S14, but it was better that it happened there rather than up at round 1, where you might not have been able to fix it before qualifying, for example, or worst of all, if you actually lost the battle because of it. So super successful day. Car ended up running really well after that, and Shane started to build a lot of confidence actually by the end of it, starting to get some decent twin battles or twin runs in as well. So really successful day overall, and definitely well worth going and doing a little bit of testing. But guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. As usual, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe bell and the notification bell as well, so that you can be notified as soon as the video goes live. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button as well. Thanks for watching guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.